What's up, guys? So I got to keep this rolling along. You guys keep asking for day-to-day operations, and I just got to say, do a quick video on TeamWork. Check it out.
Shut up and sit down.
So you guys seen yesterday's video. Obviously we've been pretty busy at the shop, and you know, lo and behold, Lauren sees the video. What she do, she comes in today, she starts cleaning up the shop floor for us. She's pulling in cars, knocking out brake jobs. We got our man Steve here, always knocking them out, knocking out a pads and 4 on this G6 real quick. But you know, I must say, wouldn't be able to do it without her. Knocking out some brakes on the front of this Sonata here. Let's get a peek, babe. Look at that. Getting it done. Getting it done. I'm doing what I do. Steve's doing what he does. I got rotors for her right here. Get her rotor set up for her so she's ready to roll. Get these out of the box. Here, babe, I'm gonna put this one right here. I'll put the other one on the other side. Maybe we should time Steve, see how long it takes. Knocking out easy brake jobs. Rotor just fell out of the box on my foot. Steve's fork still looks pretty good. Real man's toolbox, but we're getting them done. This side. Got the backs taken care of already. So you guys wanted to see it. There it is, day-to-day operation, but I figure I'd just make a quick one about TeamWork. You know, a lot to do up front, a lot to do in the back. Obviously, you guys know I wear a lot of hats, but you know, working with the right team, having the right teamwork, you know, knowing what whether it's you're an owner, or working with your coworkers, you know, help the guy out, you know, help the next guy out, see if there's anything you could do to help their job easier, because believe it or not, it makes your day go even easier. So I'll get up in here, order Steve's parts, see if he needs me to handle anything. Same with Lauren, you know, sometimes I gotta break up, you know, rusty bolt loose for her or something like that, but for the most part, she knocks it out. I really don't know where I'd be without her. You know, she's definitely a go-getter. She's a great mechanic. She's a great mother. I mean, I could sit here and make a whole video on the great things about her, and trust me, it's not always been this smooth. You know, working with your wife, I mean, I'm sure you guys could attest to say, you know, some of you males out there could attest to say, you know, it'd be almost impossible to work with your wife, and trust me, I was pretty nervous about it when we first opened up. Sorry about that, guys. Quick answering the phone. Show must go on. But like I said, guys, you know, at first a little bit of nervous about working with my wife, but I've came to enjoy it. I don't know where I'd be without it, and you know, she takes a day off, and I almost feel lost, you know, without it. The shop wouldn't do what we do without her, or Steve for that matter, for the most part. He has his days like anybody else, just like I do. I'm sure you guys do and all that. But the big point of the video, obviously, teamwork. You know, help your fellow co-worker. You know, sometimes ask if they need a hand, especially, you know, if you got downtime at the shop, you're waiting on work or waiting on parts, you got your co-worker not going out, you know, walk up to him, see if he needs a hand, see if there's anything you could do to make his job easier, let alone borrowing tools to him or anything else. So, but as always, guys, get back to this video I'll be working on for you guys. Had to get this one in there, but like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Signing out.